Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So here's our Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Let's get right to the point. So first thing we do is we power off our device. Now with the device powered off, we will be holding the Bixby button and the volume up button, as well as the power button, all at the same time. As soon as we see the Android logo pop up here on the screen, we will release all buttons. So let's go ahead and do that. Volume up, Bixby, power. Let's wait for the Android logo. There we go. And that will bring us here to this screen, Android recovery. From here, we will navigate down using our volume down button to Wi-Fi data / factory reset. And then we will click the power button to select it. And now again, volume down to select factory data reset and power button to select it. Once all of that is complete, click Reboot System Now and we are all done.